Manning Ventures announces closing of non-brokered private placement. From Vancouver, British Columbia on December 30, 2022. Manning Ventures Inc., trading on the CSE under the symbol MANN, and on the Frankfurt exchange under the symbol 1H5, is pleased to announce that it has closed a non-brokered private placement of 15,950,000 common shares at a price of 5 cents per share for gross proceeds of $797,500. The company intends to use the proceeds from the offering for exploration on its properties as well as for general working capital. All of the securities issued in the offering are subject to a hold period of 4 months, and a day pursuant to applicable securities laws which expires on May 1, 2023. The securities issued pursuant to the offering have not, nor will they be registered under the United States Securities Act of 1933, as amended, and may not be offered or sold within the United States or to, or for the account or benefit of, U.S. persons in the absence of U.S. registration or an applicable exemption from the U.S. registration requirements. This news release shall not constitute an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy, nor shall there be any sale of the securities in the United States or in any other jurisdiction in which such offer, solicitation, or sale would be unlawful. About Manning. Manning is a broad-based mineral exploration and development company with a focus in Canada. Manning holds a 100% interest in the Bounty Lithium Project, located in Quebec, and the Dipole Lithium Project, in Newfoundland. The company also retains interest in 6 iron ore properties located in the province of Quebec, and a portfolio of polymetallic projects in Newfoundland. For further information, contact Manning Ventures Inc., Alex Klenman, CEO. Email info@manningventures.com. Telephone 604-681-0084. www.manningventures.com. Forward-looking statements. This news release includes certain statements that may be deemed forward-looking statements. All statements in this new release, other than statements of historical facts that address events or developments that the company expects to occur, are forward-looking statements. Forward-looking statements are statements that are not historical facts and are generally, but not always, identified by the words expects, plans, anticipates, believes, intends, estimates, projects, potential, and similar expressions, or that events or conditions will, would, may, could, or should occur. Although the company believes the expectations expressed in such forward-looking statements are based on reasonable assumptions, such statements are not guarantees of future performance, and actual results may differ materially from those in the forward-looking statements. Factors that could cause the actual results to differ materially from those in forward-looking statements include market prices, continued availability of capital and financing, and general economic, market, or business conditions. Investors are cautioned that any such statements are not guarantees of future performance, and actual results or developments may differ materially from those projected in the forward-looking statements. Forward-looking statements are based on the beliefs, estimates, and opinions of the company's management on the date the statements are made. Except as required by applicable securities laws, the company undertakes no obligation to update these forward-looking statements in the event that management's beliefs, estimates, or opinions, or other factors, should change. Neither the Canadian Securities Exchange nor its regulation services provider accepts responsibility for the adequacy or accuracy of this release. This news release is intended for distribution in Canada only and is not authorized for distribution to United States newswire services or for dissemination in the United States. This news release brought to you by Audio News Release, a division of Stock Marketing Inc. Subscribe to Audio News Release now and be the first to know. Manning Ventures announces closing of non-brokered private placement. From Vancouver, British Columbia on December 30, 2022. Manning Ventures Inc., trading on the CSE under the symbol MANN, and on the Frankfurt exchange under the symbol 1H5, is pleased to announce that it has closed a non-brokered private placement of 15,950,000